Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the situation in Yemen as I discussed yesterday. And this map here shows the location of Yemen. Saudi Arabia is here, Iraq, Iran, Yemen is here, Ethiopia is here. So it's in the boot of the Arabian Peninsula here. And it's an area that is characterized by drought. And this drought, as we've discussed in the class, is getting worse. And this is the foundation of the humanitarian crisis in Yemen. But the main reason for the humanitarian crisis right now is a civil war between the government and a small faction of the population, a militant faction of the population. And this has been complicated by involvement of foreign players, including Iran and Saudi Arabia. And so it has become this massive international conflict, and the people of Yemen are the ones who are suffering right now. This has been going on for several years now. Right now, the population of Yemen, actually, this is 2 years, these data are 2 years old. The population of Yemen is 28.7 million. And of that population, 22.2 million people are in need of some humanitarian assistance. So these numbers are, I'm sure, even higher now. 16 million people lack access to drinking water, and 16 million people are severely food insecure. So what's happened is because the cities in Yemen have become so violent, people have been driven from their homes out into rural areas and away from their food sources. So that's why there's widespread famine. 5 million people are at emergency level of famine, and people are dying. Thousands of people die every year in Yemen as a result of malnutrition, lack of water security, obviously violence, and other factors. These are other data that say basically the same thing. Population, 17 million out of 27 million people in Yemen are food insecure. It is a really, really terrible situation, and it is getting worse as a result of the continuing drought, the continuing violence in the country, and now the COVID problem has made it far worse because a lot of people are sick. They have no access to health care, and so the situation is in real crisis mode. And I just wanted to end with this sad picture here, which shows that a lot of the victims in Yemen are women and children. So it's a very, very tough situation. Foreign aid is pouring in, but it's not enough to fend off the crisis.